Take this mask off now. Not you. You have to keep yours on. It's a rule. I'm pretty sure. I remember. If you tested on what day's today? Monday. If you tested on a Saturday, you have to keep your mask on for at least 2 months. I don't make the rules, Marty. So we'll start by preparing the wrappers. We need 1 cup of organic plain flour. Put into a medium-sized bowl with a teaspoon of salt and add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Rub it in until it's like fine breadcrumbs. No, you can't. Now add 1/3 of a cup of very hot water. Well, they're not idiots. Knead it until you get a nice soft dough. Add a very small bit of extra water if it's too dry. No one can understand you, Marty. What happened to your talk bubbles? So once the dough is a nice soft ball, wrap it up for 30 minutes and leave it in a warm place. And while that's happening, we can prepare the filling. And for this we need in a large bowl, mix the pork, chives, mushrooms, garlic, chicken stock, fish sauce and sesame oil. Now add 1 egg and 2 teaspoons of corn flour. Correct. Hardly welcome news. And we mix them well in a bowl, cover and let that sit for 15 minutes. Very classy. Now to get rolling. This is the fun part. Marty, would you care to demonstrate? This is not a good episode. It's depressing. I'm going down the shops. Be back later. I know you're not saying it now. We should have sent this off to India to get professional talk bubbles. Worth every rupee. Future Marty, hello. Just stop doing the talk bubbles. They're not necessary. Oh, I think you've gone out. Great. Let's get this done before you get back. The ball of dough should be nice and soft and pliable by now. So you take it and push your thumb through in the middle and work it into a donut, turning it constantly. You'll find gravity takes over and all you need to do is turn it and even it. Once it's about the thickness of a juvenile almond, place it on a board and cut it into 4 pieces. Put 3 of the pieces back in the bowl and cover. Now cut it into pieces about 1/2 inch long. Take a piece and roll it flat on a lightly floured surface. A wooden board works well. A trick with these is to get the edges thinner than the middle. You might find a smaller wooden pin works better. Also, remember, don't overflour the wrappers. Repeat. Now we're ready to wrap. Place the wrapper on the board and spoon in 1 dessert spoon of the filling. Now wet around the edge of 1/2 of the wrapper. Fold the wrapper over and press the edges together. Now there are a range of techniques for folds, such as the nappy, the board shorts, the skin stripped bare off the spine, the bogone moth, the Mrs. Hudson, the Y-fronts, the koala, the hemorrhoid. But a simple fold works just fine. Now, get your frying pan nice and hot and add a small coating of oil. Place the dumplings in a spiral pattern in the pan. Stop that. Let them fry on one side. Resist the urge to turn them. If you have a nice non-stick frying pan, you can flip them once. After about 4 or 5 minutes, throw in 1/3 of a cup of water and quickly put the lid on. Let them cook for another 5 or 6 minutes and remove the lid. Pop them on a paper towel to get rid of any extra oil and serve.
Sugar dumpling, you my baby, I love you in every way, way. Sugar dumpling, you my baby, my love grows stronger every day. Now listen while I tell you a story about my girl. Oh, I call her Sugar Dumpling because she's the sweetest thing in this world. Yeah, whenever I'm feeling bad or right away, she puts me to bed. She hides 2 nurses, one to hold my hand, the other one to rub my head. Let them rub a double. Sugar dumpling, you my baby, I love you in every way, way. Sugar dumpling, you my baby, my love grows stronger every day.
Well, whenever she gets hungry and tells me fix me something to eat, well, I rush into the kitchen and I'm fixing her a dinner with 7 different kinds of meat. Well, whenever I'm calling at 2 in the morning, saying come on over if you can, before I hang up the telephone, she's sitting there beside me with a cup of coffee in her hand. Give me that coffee cold.
Sugar dumpling, you my baby, I love you in every way, way. Sugar dumpling, you my baby, my love grows stronger every day. Well, yeah, sugar dumpling. Oh, sugar dumpling.
Which you can get at any good Asian grocer. What did you say? Stir it up and enjoy your dumplings. What day is it? Oh, these are good.
Hot. Yum.
Delicious.